everybody. My name is Allie, and I'm with Sam's Real Estate Club. We are your one-stop shop for anybody who's trying to learn how to invest in real estate, whether that's wholesaling, fix and flipping. We will teach you how to find the deal, how to analyze the deal, how to acquire the deal, and if you don't have your financing in place, we will also finance your deal for you. That's why I call us a one-stop shop. We have our in-person meetings. They are at the West Covina, and we have vendor tables, networking each month on the third Thursday of every month. They're always free, so definitely come take advantage, come learn and network with us. Those are on the third Thursday of each month. Come grab a flyer at our team table in the back if you haven't grabbed one yet. We also have our Zoom meetings, monthly Zoom meetings on the first Wednesday of each month. So there's no excuse, you can always make it to one of these meetings. Lastly, before they cut the mic off really quickly, I want to tell you guys about our upcoming all-action wholesaling workshop. We are bringing these workshops back. Our first one coming back is going to be April 20, and I want to invite you guys all to come. There's going to